Alright, y'all, you already know who it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We're going to be taking this out and using a JVC double din. I think it's the 830 in this 2013 Toyota Corolla. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you want to do, slide that little silver piece down, and this twists off for the shifter knob. You want to go ahead and do that first. Next, you want to put this in the lowest position. We'll get back to that in a second. Next, these pieces right here, they literally just come off, held in by just those two clips. So we're gonna go ahead and pop both of those off. Boom. So now we have to take our panel removal tool, get up under here, pop some of these clips, and we're gonna lift this whole thing up and just set it to the side. You can take that harness off, but it's, well, let's go ahead and take it off. Put that right there. All right, next, we have to get this pocket out. The easiest way to get that pocket out is to first remove this little plastic bar. It just slides forward. It slides forward, and then we can put that in later. Another thing that I find easy to get that out is to actually take out this one Phillip that goes right here and dismantle that panel. That way you got a little give, and that makes it easier to take that out. All right, next, one Phillip that goes here, one Phillip that goes there. Take those two out, unpop those two panel clips as easy as if you have that closed. And now we can go ahead and get this pocket out. Two harnesses behind that for the USB and the cigarette lighter. So go ahead and disconnect those two. All right, next thing we want to do. Next thing we want to do is come right up here, panel removal tool once again, unpop all these clips to get the clock out. And I just need to go to the back and slide to the side. You only really need to take that part out because when you take this part forward that's held in by the clips, this is under that part. Next, panel removal tool, get the AC vent out. Pop, pop, pop. Held in by clips as well. Those two in the back, couple on the side. Set that right up here. And then we're gonna relieve two 10 mils, which I've already taken out at the top. And let me turn my, there's gonna be one 10 mil that goes right there and one 10 mil that goes right there. So now that we've got all that taken out, we can, all right, so like I said, only held in by these clips after you take those 4 10 mils out. So you literally just pull forward, and then we have our radio. And now we're left with these harnesses and the antenna. So the antenna, of course, needs an antenna adapter. You got your 1761. That's what you're going to use for your for the harness. And our steering wheel control is probably going to be coming out of this harness right here. So I'm going to go ahead and wire all this stuff up, and I will catch you guys in just a second. All right, guys, that's just about it. Got the JVC in. Everything's looking right back factory. Look like it came with the car. That's the piece I was telling you where you had to slide it down. That's what it looks like when it's totally put in. I got his two USBs right here for his Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or whatever the case is. Fits right there, real nice. So that's pretty much it, man. If you guys found any value in this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff, man. Hope this helped y'all out. Until next time, this is JP signing out.